Hello everyone, welcome to Henan Wecare Industry. Our company is a modern, one-stop, comprehensive sales and manufacturing company. And we have 4 brands: WECARE, WeBetter, OnlyWay, and Yitu. Our main products are food trailers, camping trailers, toilet trailers, and containers.
Multiple types of trailer models. Welcome to our workshop. Raw material verification, inspection, and warehousing. When storing materials, we will accurately classify them and track the quality of each batch of materials through quality inspections. Clean and orderly warehouse. A high-standard material storage environment ensures the quality of raw materials. Advanced equipment and experienced cutting workers. Robot equipment can ensure the completion of large quantities of emergency orders. The precise splicing of inner and outer panel materials ensures the quality of the trailer. Hidden internal wiring ensures safe use. Exquisite painting process to ensure the aesthetic appearance of the trailer. Professional paint baking rooms ensure the quality of the paint surface.
We care our quality, not including the chassis, the body frame, and the body wall materials, but also we pay more attention to the small details. As you can see, there are stickers on the electric system, water system, and the window to give you the instruction to how to use it. Both wastewater tank or portable water tank are fixed before delivery, which can prevent the tanks from shaking when driving. Our factory uses the drawn hole opener to make the hole, which ensures smooth edge and a better look. Our breakers, sockets, and main power blocks are labeled so that we can clearly know which breaker controls which socket. When there is an unexpected problem with the electric system, it's easier for you to repair it. We install the stainless steel door stopper next to the door to prevent the door and the wall from hitting each other when there is wind. Every serving window is equipped with this type of stainless steel handles. It's more convenient for you to close and open the window. We use high-quality materials to produce high-quality products. Our products will be inspected by different departments 26 times from production to delivery. Quality is the foundation of our company's development, and it's a win-win guarantee of our cooperation with many distributors all over the world. We are the real manufacturer, and we have the WMI code, and we have around 28 patents, and our products have the CE, ISO, COC, and DOT certifications. These certifications can help you to register and import the trailers in your country successfully. And so far, we have a sales team with 40 employees, and our factory has 130 workers. From establishment to now, customer first and quality first, or the sustainable and comprehensive strategy. Just like we care our quality, we care our service, and we care our customers. We have a good relationship with our clients, our material suppliers, and our shipping agent, so that we can provide the one-stop services from manufacturing, shipping to the after-sales services. We can ensure our clients spend less effort to get best products and pleasant purchasing experiences.